Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, A Happier Me. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this basic curry masala that you can use for a variety of Indian dishes. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced cook, this masala recipe is a must-have if you plan to cook North Indian dishes. So without further ado, let's get started. You can store this masala in a glass or ceramic container in the fridge for 1 week. If you have made it extra, you can also freeze it. You can use it as needed for various Indian curries such as chicken curry, matar paneer, chicken tikka masala, dal makhani, chana masala, kofta, rajma, and so many more. So that's it guys, this basic curry masala is easy to make and can add a delicious flavor to your North Indian dishes. So go ahead and please give it a try. If you liked today's video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. My name is Parul and I thank you so much for watching. Bye!